Stunning landscapes of the world shaped by natural disasters, nature's fury as a sculptor. Throughout history, natural disasters have left indelible marks on the Earth's surface, transforming landscapes into breathtaking marvels that captivate the human imagination. These catastrophic events, while destructive and often tragic, have also revealed the raw and transformative power of nature, crafting stunning terrains that speak of resilience and beauty amidst chaos. Here we explore some of the most remarkable landscapes forged by the forces of earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, floods, and more. Mount Rinjani, located on the island of Lombok in Indonesia, stands as a testament to the majestic power of volcanic activity. Rising to 3,726 metres, Rinjani is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, and its eruptions over centuries have carved a dramatic crater lake, known as 𝐍𝐀𝐄𝐒. The turquoise waters of this lake, surrounded by craggy peaks and lush vegetation, create a surreal panorama. The volcanic soil has enriched the region, fostering vibrant flora that contrasts vividly against the rugged terrain. Born from the catastrophic eruption of Mount Mazama approximately 7,700 years ago, Crater Lake in Oregon is a deep blue masterpiece of nature. The collapse of the volcano created a caldera which gradually filled with rainwater and snowmelt, forming one of the deepest and clearest lakes on Earth. The serenity of Crater Lake belies the violent beginnings that shaped it, and its pristine beauty draws visitors from around the world. 𝐍𝐀𝐄𝐒, a volcanic glacier in Iceland, gained international fame during its 2010 eruption, which disrupted air travel across Europe. Beyond its disruptive history, the glacier-volcano hybrid offers a landscape of stark contrasts, icy expanses juxtaposed with black volcanic ash fields. Its eruptions have sculpted valleys and ridges, creating a terrain that epitomizes Iceland's rugged and otherworldly charm. The mighty Himalayas, the tallest mountain range in the world, owe their existence to the tectonic collision between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. Over millions of years, this seismic activity has thrust peaks to incredible heights, including Mount Everest, which stands at 8,848 metres. The ongoing movement of these plates continues to shape the landscape, making the Himalayas not just a place of awe-inspiring beauty, but also a dynamic geological wonder. The Grand Canyon, Arizona. The Grand Canyon, one of the most iconic landscapes on Earth, owes much of its grandeur to the erosive power of the Colorado River over millions of years. However, it was punctuated by catastrophic flooding events that accelerated its formation. The layered cliffs, painted in hues of red, orange and gold, narrate a geological story of upheaval and transformation. Today, the canyon stands as a monument to nature's ability to craft beauty out of destruction. Lake Baikal, Russia. Often referred to as the Pearl of Siberia, Lake Baikal is the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, and its origins are closely tied to tectonic and flooding events. The lake basin was formed by a rift valley, and subsequent flooding created its immense size. Encased by mountains and home to unique biodiversity, Lake Baikal is a stunning reminder of nature's power to shape ecosystems through disaster. Banana Island, Maldives. The Maldives, known for its idyllic islands and atolls, has been repeatedly shaped by cyclonic storms. Islands such as Banana Island showcase the dramatic interplay between destruction and regrowth. Hurricanes have eroded land and reshaped coastlines, creating lagoons, sandbanks, and coral reefs that are a testament to nature's restorative power. Banana Island, shrouded in tropical allure, is a serene escape characterised by its palm-fringed shores and vibrant biodiversity. Situated in the heart of an azure sea, the island offers visitors an opportunity to bask in its sandy tranquility while exploring its verdant landscape. Known for its rich marine ecosystem and lush vegetation, it provides a stark yet beautiful contrast to the bustling world beyond its shores. Bahamas archipelago is a result of countless storms and hurricanes carving limestone and coral structures over millennia. These storms have not only reshaped the islands, but have also left behind intricate patterns in the sedimentary rocks, forming breathtaking geological formations. 𝐍𝐀𝐄𝐒 Dam, Italy. The 𝐍𝐀𝐄𝐒 landslide in 1963 stands as a stark reminder of human vulnerability to natural disasters. While tragic in its impact, the event reshaped the surrounding landscape into a striking tableau of jagged cliffs and an altered waterway. The site today serves as a hauntingly beautiful memorial to the power of nature. Mount St. Helens, USA. Following its eruption in 1980, Mount St. Helens experienced massive landslides that reshaped its surroundings entirely. The altered terrain now features stunning vistas of a landscape in recovery, including Spirit Lake, which was reborn through sediment deposition. Atabad Lake, Pakistan. Formed in 2010 as a result of a catastrophic landslide Attabad Lake is a stunning turquoise gem nestled in the Hunza Valley. The lake spans approximately 13 miles in length and reaches depths of over 300 feet, offering breathtaking views and attracting tourists from around the globe. It has become a hub for boating, fishing, and other recreational activities, while its creation reshaped the surrounding area's geography and local communities. The lake's mesmerizing beauty contrasts sharply with the natural forces that shaped it, reminding visitors of nature's power to both create and destroy. The lake has transformed the region into an ecological and cultural hotspot, inviting an interplay between human life and the untouched wilderness that defines the Hunza Valley. Its crystalline waters reflect towering peaks, creating an almost surreal tableau that exemplifies the grandeur of Pakistan's landscapes. These landscapes are powerful reminders that, even amid destruction, nature possesses an extraordinary ability to create beauty. From volcanic lakes to seismic mountain ranges and flood-carved canyons, the world is filled with stunning terrains that owe their existence to natural disasters. They invite us to marvel not only at their aesthetics, but also at the resilience and dynamism of the planet itself. These sites stand as symbols of renewal, reminding humanity of the delicate balance between vulnerability and strength in the face of nature's forces. Thank you for watching our exploration of breathtaking landscapes transformed by the power of nature. If you enjoyed learning about the stories behind sites like Attabad Lake, Mount St. Helens, and the Veillon Dam, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Share it with friends who love nature and resilience, and let us know in the comments which location inspired you the most. Together, let's continue appreciating the beauty born from these awe-inspiring forces of nature.